Good evening, fellow Namibian. We are just have been rains and the water just come in the ghetto. The whole ghetto is just everything is getting wet. And please, I may request that anybody who can having any assistant to help us with anything, please, you may help us because we are really disappointed. Please, I don't have a lot of words to say. I just need I'm just requesting for assistance, please.
I really need help. If you can really help me, please help because I have nothing. You can also help me at least with my school because education is the key of success. Please help me. Look how my book is. Please, I'm even counting on you. Please help me. If you can help. For tonight, the rain already started. I don't know where to go sleep. I'll maybe find a way, but I don't think there's a way because everything is just damaged. My mom does not even know what to do. My dad is not even around. My brother is stressed with his school things because everything is damaged out. Please help us.
The one that is very wet is here. Just go inside here, then you can see.
This is what you call my school books, damage. This is what you call my school books, they're really damaged. I don't know where to start. I'm even supposed to go to school tomorrow. I don't want to start until 9. Don't know. So what you call my school books. I don't even have enough books. And this is all what you can see. New books, damaged, covered. I don't know where to start. My blankets are all wet. Look how the water is under. I tried and tried to remove some with my brother.
So there's no water under?
Yes, this is water. All water under. These are some of my books. This is my life science book. Already damaged. I don't know where to start. Already, like the week when we started, we wrote some summaries. I don't know where to get it from. Start from here. Like there, after the rain drained, everything damaged. All of my school books are all damaged. This is all my books. When we started with school, we wrote some summaries of our license book, and we wrote these summaries, and it's still damaged. I don't know where to start from, and everything is just damaged. All of these are new books that my mom bought for me to start with education. Everything is just damaged. Everything. I don't know where to start. My blankets. Maybe one book that is a bit better but still damaged. I have to pay his school textbook. I don't know where will I get the money from. My mom is already suffering with all of this. Look how my brother's school papers are. Everything is just up and damaged. My blankets are all damaged. I don't know what to start. It's all wet. It's really wet. Even the pillows, at least. Look, the whole bed is just like this, muddy. The water was until here. Everything. My school textbook, I have to pay it because it's damaged. I don't know. I don't have any solution. Look how my textbook is gone. It's for history. I don't know what to explain to my teacher. Will she even hear this? I really don't know. And under my bed, water that I cannot even explain how it came from, how it